In this video, we are going to understand how to get Nolt post comments on mail and WhatsApp. So here my objective is that every time a new comment is posted on any of the posts in any board of Nolt, which is a great platform to receive customer feedback, I want to receive an email talking about that comment as well as a WhatsApp message. How can that happen? For this, I'll be integrating these applications and I'm going to do so using Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Nolt and my action applications will be Gmail and Interact. Now, how can you do this yourself? Integrate and automate this entire process. To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here we have reached the landing page. I'm going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. If you are new, you can always sign up. Here we have reached the all applications page and these are the various products of Pabbly. I'm going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect as we are doing this integration using Pabbly Connect software. And as we do that, here you can see we have reached the dashboard. Now on the right hand side, there's a tab create workflow. Let's click on this and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now what is my objective here? To get Nolt post comments on mail and WhatsApp. So we all know that Nolt is a great platform for collecting feedback, and here every time there's a comment on any post that has been posted on any board, then automatically a mail and WhatsApp must be sent to the admin. So I'm going to click on create here. And as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. So trigger here is when this happens, action says do this. Basically action here is the response of your trigger application. Now as per this integration, my trigger application here will be Nolt. Let's click on this. Now what is the trigger event? So this is the event that is going to make this workflow run. And here it would be new comment. So I'm going to click on connect, and as I do that, here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Nolt account. For this, I'm going to select add new connection, and now here we have to enter the email address and the API key to set up this connection. So this here is the email address, and now for this API key, what do we have to do? We have to go to the board settings, integrations and Pabbly. Let me show you the same. I have already logged into my Nolt account. Now here, this is the post. So first of all, I'm going to go to settings, and here let's go down and you would be able to see integrations. Now within this, we are going to go to Pabbly Connect, and as we do that, you can see the API key. So I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the same. Once done, let's click on save to set up this connection, and we can see here that Pabbly Connect and Nolt are now connected. Now what do we have to do? I'm going to mark a new comment in any post in the particular Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as I do that, it is saying now add a new comment in your board in Nolt. So here I'm going to take you back to board. Now you can see that I am here in this particular board where I have just made the integration. And now here is the post which is testing. Let's click on this. So here you can see this is just a demo post. The name is testing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a new comment here. So here I'm going to write this is a test message to check the integration between Nolt and Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that the comment has been posted. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and yes, here we have received the API response. So this here is the triggered date and time. Then this here is the event which is comment created. Here we have the username. Then this here is the user email address. Then again, as I take you down, here we have the text. This here is the post title. Now what is my objective? I want to send this information to the admin on WhatsApp as well as Gmail. So here I'm going to choose my action application first as Gmail. Let's click on this. And the action event here would be to send email. Let's click on connect. So Pabbly Connect wants to connect itself with the Gmail account. Let's click on add new connection and connect with Gmail. So as we do that, here we have to choose an account. So once done, here Pabbly Connect wants to access my Google account.
So this is absolutely secure. I have clicked on allow, and here you can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that Gmail and Pabbly Connect are now connected. As I take you down, here we have to enter the recipient's email address. So since this is going to the admin, this is not a dynamic information. Instead, this is a static information. So I'm going to write this manually. So I'm going to write admin@pabblytudes.com. This here is the email address of the admin. Then again, as I take you down, here we have the sender's name. So let me write Pabbly Connect. Again, this is a static information. Next, we have the email subject. So I'm going to write new comment received on Nolt dash Pabbly board. Okay, then we have the email content type. This is plain. Next is email content. So here I'm going to write new comment received. Now I'm going to add the details. First of all, we have the post name. Now to add this, we are going to map the information. How? You can see the previous step here, and here as I take you down, this here is the post title. So this method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping, and this is important so that every time the workflow runs, it can take the new data into consideration. The next thing is comment. So again, I'm going to map. Let's go down, and this here is the comment, and then we need user email, who has sent this. So I'm again going to click on this, and this here is the user's email. Regards. Now this is the message that I wish to send with my admin. Of course, this can be customized, and now if you want to send any particular file, then you have to mention the file name here and the attachment URL here. Of course, the allowed maximum file size of the attachment is 25 MB, so please make sure that your file size doesn't exceed the size. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as we do that, here we have received the message which says that the mail has been sent. Let's go and check the same. So I'm going to take you to the email address of the person. Let's quickly refresh this page. And here you can see we have received the mail. Let's click on this, and it is saying, so here we have new comment received, and these are the details. So this means that our integration is a success till here. Now I also want to send a WhatsApp message to the person. So I'm going to add another action step here. And this time I'm going to look for interact that helps me in sending WhatsApp messages. And now the action event here would be to send WhatsApp template message. Let's click on connect. So here again, Pabbly Connect wants to connect itself with interact account. Now to set up this connection, I'm going to click on add new connection, and we need the secret key. I already have logged into my interact account, so I'm going to click on this hyperlink. And here we have reached developer settings page. This here is your secret key. Let's copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect, paste this over here. And now I'm going to click on save. So once this is done, Interact and Pabbly Connect are now connected. Now here we have to mention the country code, phone number and full phone number. So if you only have the number without the country code, you can put it here. Else you can fill in the information in this particular field. So since this is again another static information, I'm going to mention the phone number of the person. So here I have mentioned the phone number of my admin. This is just a test number. Now the template code name. Now these templates are basically pre-written messages that can be sent to your users' clients, and these are totally customizable. Now let me click on this hyperlink so that you can have a look at all the templates that I already have created. Let's go to active. And yes, here you can see that these are the active templates. I recently have created a template which is new comment Nolt. Now if you wish to create a new template, you can click on this green tab over here. Let me show you what you have to do. So here you can see this is the template that I have created. The name is new comment Nolt. What is the category? Utility. What is the language? English. Now here I haven't added any header. If you wish, you can add a text, image, video or document. Next is the body. So here what's the message that I have written? New comment received on Nolt in Pabbly board. Details are post name, comment received, user email, regards. Now here you can see these numbers within double curly braces. These are known as variables and these can be changed with every message. So now if you wish to add any footer or buttons, you can always do that. I have left this blank. And now what do I want? I want the code of this template. For this, here we'll go to the address bar. This here is the template code. Let's take you back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste this over here. The next is the language code. Since the language is English, the code is EN. Then we have not selected any header, so this is going to remain empty. Now here we have to add the body variable values. Again, I'm going to map this information. So let's go to step 1. So here first of all I need the post title. So this here is the post title. Let's put a comma. The next thing that I need is the text. Here is the text and then we need the user's email address. So again let's go down and this here is the user's email address. Okay, these are the 3 body variable values. Now since we did not select any CTA button, I'm going to leave these 2 fields blank. And now let's click on save and send test request. So as we do that, here you can see we have received the response. This seems positive. So now I'm going to take you to my WhatsApp web and check if we have received the message. And here you can see that yes, we have received a new message, new comment received on Nolt in Pabbly board, and these are the details. So this means that our integration is a complete success. But we also need to check the same in real time. So I'm going to take you back to Nolt and here I'm going to post another comment. So this is to test the final integration. Regards. Okay, so now I'm going to click on comment. As soon as that happens, here you can see that we have received the message. Now what should happen? So first I'm going to take you to my WhatsApp and here you can see that we have received another message. Now I'm going to take you to the Gmail address and here you can see we have received another email. So new comments received, these are the details. This here is the comment and we have the user email. So this means that our integration is a success. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, let's quickly understand what we have done. So here our trigger application is Nolt, where the event is new comment. Then our action application was Gmail, where the event was to send email. And our final action application was Interact to send WhatsApp template message. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.